Good afternoon all. Garima, Bedi, Suhani, all are writing. Good afternoon, beta. Okay, students are joining. Very good. Yes, good afternoon, Prachi.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, dear. Good afternoon. So all you have the graph notebook with you today? No response?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, bacha. Good. So done all the questions of yesterday? All the parts and questions? Whole
Yes, ma'am.
Whole exercise is completed. Very good. Very good. Okay. So as the students are joining, and it is 12:27. Okay, we'll wait for 2 more minutes. Let all join and then we'll start the class. Amrita says, one girl is with the name of Double Star. Double Star, please rename yourself, bacha, so that I will come to know what's your name.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Tejasvi, Vartika, Upasna, Tanisha, Suhani, Sonal, Sia, Prachi, Pearl, Resha Rajput, Kavita, Ishpreet Kaur, Garima Bedi, Bhavika, Asis Kaur. Okay. Okay. Ishpreet, good afternoon. Good afternoon, bacha. Good afternoon, all. Okay. Okay, so near about 30 students have joined, but only two classes combined, and I don't know. 31, yes, joining, they are joining. Okay, have you seen the videos which I had sent yesterday?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Definitely, they will help you because different things are coming in that terms and all that. So those who have not seen, please go through that video. Then you will get the clear concept of the stats. What exactly it is what is the meaning of statistics and where we are using it. Okay. Okay, bacha. So to whom I have given the duty, please say the prayer. All be in the prayerful posture now. Yes, bacha. Speak.
O Lord, give us perfect peace, so that we may delight in serving you all the days of our life, and at the last, with Our Lady's help, come safely to your presence. Through Christ our Lord. Amen.
Thank you. Thank you, Arshpreet. Thanks a lot.
Welcome, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Now, today we have started the statistics, and now today what we will do, we will do it represent it graphically through the bar graphs, through the histographs and the frequency polygons. So depending upon the situation, what we have to do, we will find it out. Now we have the next exercise. Take out your books. All take out your books and your graph notebooks, your scale, your pencils, all in your hands. Okay. All the things in your hands. It is sharp 12:30 and I'm going to start my class. A survey conducted by an organization for the cause of illness and death among the women between the ages 15 to 44 in years worldwide found the following figures in percentage. Now they have given a chart in which they have written the causes and the female fertility rate. So the first cause they have given reproduction health conditions and the percentage is given 31.8. In the next it is given neuropsychiatric conditions, that is 25.4, injuries 12.4, cardiovascular conditions 4.3, respiratory conditions 4.1 and some other causes they have given 22.0. We have to represent this information graphically. That means they have not given us the what we have to make bar graph, histogram. So we will make it when nothing is given. So graphically representation means bar graph. So we have to represent this chart as a bar graph. Which condition is the major cause of illness? Then we have to find out कि कौन सा major cause है women का illness का. But first of all, we have to represent this as graphically. So all take out your graph notebook. Represent x-axis and y-axis. दोनों represent करो अपने x-axis को और y-axis को. I am showing you on PDF to you. और उसमें आप intervals ले लो and start doing it. I am sharing my screen. Okay. So x-axis और y-axis को करो. Hope all you are doing. Represent it is through x-axis and y-axis and make the interval of 5, 5, 5 as we are doing earlier. Okay. Are you able to see my screen? Anji Bacha?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, dear.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
yes. Now represent it graphically. So this is the bar graph which will come. So this is your x-axis in your graph. Hope all you had made the x-axis and this is your y-axis. Clear? जैसे बेटा हम बनाते हैं 8th 7th में हम बना रहे हैं. Same here, this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. Make an interval of 5, 5, 5 and 5. It will come 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. I will ask any girl, the name of any girl and she has to show the graph. So all please make it. 40, 45 and 50. Clear? ये आपका intervals बन जाएंगे and this is you will write on here family fertility rate, female fertility rate. और ये आप represent करोगे through the arrow से और यहाँ पे आप represent करोगे this axis is the causes. So the first is 31.8. So 30 के हल्का सा एक point जाओ and it will come 31.8. So this इसके ऊपर जरूर लिखना as I have showing you in your earlier classes. ऊपर पक्का लिखना 31.8. Then leaving one space here, एक block छोड़ के. Next is neuropsychiatric conditions and the graph will go 25.4. यानी 25 से हल्का सा एक point आगे चले जाओ. It will come 25.4. ये आपका accurate नहीं बनेगा because it is coming in the points. बट ये आपका रफली बन जाएगा. नेक्स्ट इज इंजरीज. दिस इज 12.4. सो ये आपका 12.4 बन जाएगा यहाँ. क्लियर? Then next is cardiovascular conditions, that is only 4.3. That means 5 से भी नीचे आपका 4.3 बनेगा और 4.1 हल्का सा 3 के नीचे. और other causes is 22. That means it will go up to 20. 20 से थोड़ा सा आगे जाके 22.0 आप इसको रिप्रेजेंट करोगे. Hope all you are doing, बच्चा. इसका ग्राफ बन गया?
No, ma'am.
इसका बन गया? अपना हैंड रेज कर लेना बेटा चैट बॉक्स में. आई एम वेटिंग. The one who has done this graph, raise your hands in the chat box. Your voice is buffering. Okay. So anyone can raise the hands in the chat box that ma'am done. I'm waiting. In the participants, one girl is with the name of double hash. Hash करके है कोई लड़की, एक hash और दूसरा hash. Please rename yourself, बच्चा. Please rename. Right click करो. Yes, Sia Mahajan has just raised the hand. Very good, Sia. Just अपना video show करो and show it to me, बेटा. Very good, Sia. अपना video जो है बच्चा शो करो. One girl is with the name of hash. Please बेटा, I'm just saying कि उसको आप rename करो. Rename. Sia Mahajan, are you showing बेटा your graph? Two participants, very good, very good. 3 participants raise the hand, very good. So the students who have done it, anyone can just show it through the video, बच्चा. I want to see how it is exactly. कैसा बना आपका graph? Anyone? Sia is showing. Okay, Sia is showing, but I am not able to see. Where is Sia? Okay. Okay. Sia is showing Suhani also. Very good. Very good. 1 minute में देख लेती हूँ बेटा. Where she is? Yes, very good. Very good. Now I am able to see. See Banvi Rajput also showing. Tejasvi, very good. Harshpreet, very good. Sia Mahajan, very good. Suhani also, very good girls, very good. Keep it up. Thank you, thank you. So all you can see that how they are representing the graph, very good. Thank you, bacha. Yes, Pearl Manchanda also showing, very good. Tejasvi, very good. Very good, beta, very good. Thanks a lot for showing and for. Okay, thank you, bacha. Now the next question. So in the same way, please all do. Okay. The next question, very good students. The next question is, the following data on a number of girls per 1,000 boys in different sections of Indian society is given below. Now they have different sections of the society like scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, non-SC, ST, non-scheduled caste and scheduled tribes, backward districts, non-backward districts, rural and urban. So there are different sections of the Indian society, and they have given the number of girls per 1,000 boys. And scheduled caste, they have given 940. Scheduled tribe, they have given 970. In the same way, different sections, they have given 920, 950, 920, no, 930 and 910. One thing, in the first question, it was given which condition is the major cause of women illness. So reproductive health conditions was the major cause of the illness, of the health and the death worldwide. Okay, you have to write down. Third point, leave it. So represent the above information through the bar graph. Now we have to represent this information through the bar graph. In the same way, make the x-axis and the y-axis. Very good. Make the x-axis and y-axis and start from 900, because if we will make 10, 10, 10, it will go so much. So as all the ranges are from 910, 930, 920, so we will start with 900 only. So here, or you can do it with 100, 200, it is up to you, or you can make it with 900, 910, 920, 930, 940. So it depends. Or you can make the interval of 100, 100 as they have done. Look, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900 and 1000. So this is the number of girls per 1,000 boys. And here it is the different sections of the society. So the first section is scheduled caste. We have to make a bar graph. So scheduled caste is here 940. So 940 will go like this. But if you will make the interval of 900, 910, 920, वो आपका पूरा accurate बनेगा. I will show you in the board also. मैं आपको बता देती हूँ कैसे. वो आपका I think ज़्यादा accurate बनेगा. I'm showing you. Just have a look here in the whiteboard. देखो, in case if you will make like this, ये आपका बनेगा, ये ग्राफ आपका रिप्रेजेंट होगा ऐसे, और आप अगर बनाओगे like this 900, ये 0 होगा, this is the origin. Okay, ये आप बनाओगे 900, ये बनाओगे 910, यहाँ पे 10 10 का इंटरवल है. As this is from 900, so I will put a zigzag here because I'm jumping from 0 to 900. So next it will come 920, 930, 940, 950, 960, as 970 and all that. And here are the different sections of the society. So the first section is your scheduled caste, and it is how much? 940. So 940 यहाँ पे आपका चला जाएगा this. So right here 940. और आप एक blank छोड़ोगे बेटा. Next is your 970. So 70 will go up. ये आपका top पे आ जाएगा 970. So this is your, ये आपका क्या है? Scheduled caste. This is your SC. This is your ST. Scheduled tribe. फिर आपने एक block छोड़ना है. And the next is non-SC ST 920. ये आपका 920 ये आ जाएगा. This is your 920.
Ma'am, I have done.
ये हो गया आपका non-SC ST. Next is your 950. So 950.
Ma'am, done.
हाँ जी बच्चा.
Ma'am, done. Completed.
Ma'am, done.
Good. Very good. So I will let you know when to show. Okay. In this way, we can graphically represent it. Yes, 4 participants raise the hand. Very good. Very good. Very good, bacha. So, are they showing? Then I will also see. Okay. So, please, those who have done 6 participants, very good. So, please show it, bacha. I will see. Gallery view and speaker view. Yes. Tejasvi is showing very good. Pearl Manchanda, Ishpreet, Sia Mahajan, very good bacha. One more girl is showing. Suhani Gupta, very good beta. Mannat Angral, very good. Very good bacha. So others also please do. Asi's score is showing yes. Mannat Angral, Ishpreet, very good. So thank you bacha. Thanks for showing. Very good, very good. Yes, Tejasvi, yes, yes. Asis, yes. You had made by 100, Tejasvi by 10, 9, 10, 9, 20. Very good. Pearl also, yes. 9, 10, 9, 20. Yes, bacha. Ishpreet also, 10, 10 intervals. Mannat Angral, very good bacha. Suhani, yes. Thank you, bacha. Thanks for showing. Very good. God bless you. Okay. Now, very good. Now, question number 3. Given below are the seats won by different political parties in the following outcome of the state assembly elections. Political parties and seats won. अब इसमें आपने देखना है A, B, C, D, E. And the seats won are 75, 55, 37, 29, 10 and 37. So it is best take an interval of 10, 10. आपके हर 10 में 10 ब्लॉक्स होते हैं ना. आपके हर एक जो ग्राफ का एक जो हाईलाइटेड होता है 1 जो डार्क लाइन होती है उस डार्क लाइंस में 10 लाइंस होती हैं, 10 बॉक्सेस होते हैं छोटे छोटे. सो बेटर यू विल टेक एज 10, 10, 10. तो आपको 27, 35, 32 रिप्रेजेंट करना बहुत इजी होगा बिकॉज 1 बॉक्स इज ऑफ 1 एंड इफ यू विल राइट 10 तो वो आपका स्केल भी मेंशन करना बहुत जरूरी है. क्लियर? सो प्लीज मेक इट. आज हम इतना ही कर लेंगे. यस इट्स 12:47. ओके. सो नेक्स्ट जो है दैट इज अ डिफरेंट टॉपिक. टुमारो वी विल स्टार्ट. और वन मोर थिंग बच्चा, आपका वैदिक का टेस्ट होगा 25th ऑफ दिस मंथ. ठीक है. उस वैदिक में जितना भी आपने पढ़ा है बच्चा इन योर प्रीवियस क्लासेस ऑल्सो, आपने पुराना जो भी है अगर आपके पास बुक्स हैं एक बार उनके मल्टीपल चॉइस एंड ऑल दैट उसको रिवाइज कर लेना. पुरानी बुक्स तो सबके पास हैं. नया जो मैंने आपको पढ़ाया है वहां तक और मोस्टली पुराने जो ऑब्जेक्टिव्स वगैरह हैं इट इज अ गूगल फॉर्म में आपको आएगा. फिलअप्स होंगे, मल्टीपल चॉइस होगा, आपका मैच द फॉलोइंग होगा, वो आपने कंप्लीट करना है और 25th को आपको वो पेपर होगा. So those who are not here, those who are not this one participating here in the class, only 50-55 students maximum is here in the class. So please उनको भी बता देना. I will just give the information in the WhatsApp also. So 25th you are having the Vedic paper. एक बार उन सब objectives को बच्चा देख लेना. ठीक है? Clear? Yes, girls have also raised the hand. That means उनका next वाला भी graph तैयार है. Very good. Very good बच्चा. Very good. They are also showing Mannat. Repeatedly these girls are only showing Mannat, Sia. Very good. So please girls, all you make, ठीक है, अच्छे से सारे अपना ग्राफिकली रिप्रेजेंटेशन कर लेना और अपना वैदिक को भी साइड बाय साइड प्रिपेयर कर लेना. 25th यू आर हैविंग द वैदिक और इसमें आपके मार्क्स होंगे 5 and 10 मार्क्स जो कि आपके इंटरनल होंगे, जो आपके ऐड होंगे टर्म 1 में. ठीक है, वो ध्यान रखना और वो अच्छे से करना. ठीक है बच्चा? Clear? Any problem or any query regarding these graphs? So you can speak.
I'm done.
Very good. Those who have done very good and those who are doing. Ji?
Ma'am, can you send the topics of Vedic maths in group?
Beta, I don't have the topics because I don't have the book with me in the previous. Mostly previously what you have done. Multiplication पिछली बारी cube roots किए थे हमने. Okay, Kavita, to me send me the sample paper of the. Okay बच्चा, I will see if I am having the previous. अगर मेरे पास कुछ घर में पड़े हैं, I will send it to you. बाकी जो आपने पिछला पढ़ा हुआ है, all it's very easy. जो आपने पढ़ा हुआ है, that same will come. जो भी आपने आज तक लास्ट ईयर की भी जो बुक्स हैं आपकी, आई थिंक 4A भी है ना आपका लास्ट अभी वाला आपका.
Yes, ma'am.
पीछे आपके वो होते हैं मल्टीपल चॉइस होते हैं, फिलअप्स होते हैं, उनको एक बार स्टडी कर लेना बच्चा, गो थ्रू दैट एंड यू विल गेट अकॉर्डिंगली। ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, इट्स नॉट ए डिफिकल्ट, मैक्सिमम दैट पोर्शन इज कमिंग। अगर अभी का कोई हुआ तो इट्स अ लिटिल बिट, मैक्सिमम दैट पोर्शन इज कमिंग। ओके, और देखते हैं नेक्स्ट क्लास में आपकी वैदिक की ले लूंगी, जहां तक हमने किए हैं उसके आगे कंटिन्यू करूंगी, ताकि वो भी साइड साइड कंप्लीट हो जाए आपका। ठीक है, ओके बच्चा,
Thank you, ma'am.
ओके
Thank you, ma'am.
ओके,
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
बाय।
Bye, ma'am.